think the value of soils underpins just about every aspect of life.
Soil produces 95% of our food.
Soils, you can't put a value on them, they are just absolutely priceless.
I'm Alison Carmichael. I'm the Acting CEO of Soil Science Australia. Today we're running one of the field sessions that we run for our soil management course. And there are 5 modules, but module 5 is a 2-day field day where people literally get their hands dirty.
Coolringdon here, I'm Hamish, the manager. It's a very different range of soils in the area. You get that chance of looking at all different sort of soils like granity, basalt soils, clay soils, and there's a lot of different sort of spots here which is really good for teaching people.
The course was developed with funding from DAF under the National Soil Action Plan. They get to dig soil cores, walk through soil pits, learn how to sample and test in the field.
My name's Troy Clarkson. I'm the Director of the Soils Programs and Strategies team at Department of Agriculture, Fisheries and Forestry. My role is to work with my team to deliver the National Soil Action Plan. Through the delivery of the National Soil Action Plan, collaboration is key. It's understanding the different roles that different partners have to play in helping to address soils. One of the priorities identified is the lack or the decreasing capability of soil experts out there in the field.
A lot of the experience has gone from both agencies as people have retired, and over the years it hasn't been replaced. If all of us were just to go off and play golf or go on cruises, there'd be nobody to teach the young ones coming through.
We are striving to actually work out where those capability gaps are and looking at strategies to actually start to fill those gaps.
So it's urgent and that we address that and start handing the knowledge on.
What we've been doing here at Coolringdon is training people who are working in the field of soils and who have some sort of experience and knowledge, but they're keen to develop their skills to a point where they can attain accreditation as a soil practitioner, be able to describe and classify soils in accordance with Australian standards.
Why do you come to an event like this? Because you're never going to know it all. I've only been doing this for 20 years. We've got plenty more experienced people here today, but it's just like little tidbits of information, a little gem here and there. It all adds to your knowledge bank.
We've just been looking at the real basics of our soil field analysis. We're looking into things like pH, soil colour and texture, dispersion and slaking tests, really useful stuff that can be done out in the field.
In my job, I'm in the field a lot and I'm assessing a lot of paddocks. I've seen a whole lot of different soil types. It's really interesting to be here today and see the soil types of this region.
Just being around so many passionate individuals in the soil pit, hearing what they have to say and their interpretation of things that I ordinarily wouldn't be picking up, say, 6 months ago or even yesterday.
So we won't just be learning from the course teachers, but we'll also be learning from other people within the field. So we've got lots of different industry representations from government to consultants, industry, scientists, and we'll be able to bring that all together to get a greater understanding of soil and then hopefully move forward and be able to communicate that better with the public as well.
The old adage, you can't manage what you don't measure. So this course is about giving people skills to collect data about the soil that they're working with so that they can then make informed management decisions.
My role is an agronomist, but also in extension, taking the knowledge from today and going back to the people that I work with at local land services and the producers that we work with on a daily basis, translating the real technical science into something that's applicable on the ground and can make a difference.
If we don't look after our soils, our pastures are not going to respond and we won't have any grass for our sheep. Learning about the soils that are beneath us definitely makes a big difference because all we are doing is striving to be better at what we do.
What I'm really loving is watching our members, the members who have been doing this work for decades, come here and freely give their advice and their experience and allow people to ask questions and tap into their experience. It's a really nice, handing of the baton.
Richard Green, an emeritus lecturer from ANU. Together, I guess we have nearly 80 years of experience, and the opportunity to share that with the participants in this course has just been fantastic.
I feel like I've been given a gift in that the older generation of people who, when they were my age, they were learning a lot of the things that I'm learning today. They really have this role in passing the baton on to me. I feel like I'm at the start of the new generation, the new soil scientists, using the soil knowledge I've gained here today to make good choices into the future.
Mostly I'm interested in soil because it's so important for our future. It's such an important resource, and if we can manage it well and preserve it, we can keep it working productively and well for future generations.
In a nutshell, is about sample, test, act, and end up with much healthier soils.
Soil takes thousands, perhaps hundreds of thousands of years to form. We're not going to be able to recreate it. So what we've got is basically what we've got, and we have to look after it.